Hi guys, welcome to the challenge 3187 Visitor Management Preview Labs Part 5. This is the part 1 of the functional overview video. In this video we are going to see the part 1 of the challenge requirements, that is adding and removing invitees. We add the invitees into an array and we delete it one by one. We can delete it only one invitee per call. This is what we are going to see along with the existing functionality. I just want you to make sure the existing functionality is unbroken and as it is. So for the overview, I have created the meeting. Let's schedule that meeting. I have added two invitees, John Bond and Tim Barr. Each of the invitees having my email IDs. I have kept open two email IDs over here. So Tim Barr received one meeting request and John Bond also received one. Now the meeting is scheduled. Let's go onto the meeting page. We haven't added the layout. Let me quickly set the layout. This is my different org where I installed my unmanaged package for testing. This is how we set the page layouts. You must be knowing about that. Page layout assignment. Let's select for all. Change to Preview Labs events. Yeah, here we go. Let's go to the meeting page, where our meeting tokenizer page will load. Let's select the location of the meeting, set the location. Here you will see the event invite is not created and the two invitees are added. The access request is not yet granted, even the email is not sent. Let's click on, I just want to send meeting invite to Tim Barr, so I'm unselecting the John Bond and creating a meeting request. The meeting request is created, the email has been sent. The Tim Barr has received the email with the QR code token. This is the basic existing functionality which is working absolutely fine. Now let's see what happens when we add two more invitees to the existing event invite. Remember here that out of two already existed invitees, we only granted a access request to one. Let's add the invitees. Let's check whom to add quickly. For which contacts I'm having my email ID. Let's check that. Bond and Tim are here, Boyle and Davis I need to add so we can test the application. Davis, Boyle, done. Lauren Boyle, yeah. Let's see. As soon as the event page is loaded, here you can see the new invitees section where two more invitees are added after the event is created and already access granted invitee Tim Barr. Let's quickly increase the page layout so we can see it clearly. Let's give it 450. Now in this challenge we have been asked to add selected invitees into the current event invite, and at the same time we should email them their QR code. Let's check that. So these three are these three invitees are not yet added. I'm selecting John Bond and Lauren Boyle and adding them. Here you can see the email is sent to John Bond, Lauren Boyle. For Timber it is not sent because it was earlier sent, but the note here that the access is granted. Let's check the emails. Here the one QR code is received, and here we get second QR code. So you can see here only selected invitees from newly added invitees are getting the token. If I refresh the page, then now 3 invitees are in SAM event invite, and 1 invitee is only added into the Salesforce event but not in SAM event invite. Let's add him too. We added him. The email is sent to him. Must have received the email. Yes, with QR code. This was the first requirement in part 1. Now the second requirement here is to provide ability to user to remove a contact invitee from SAM. So I have put the delete links over here. If you refresh the page, you can even use it right now, but if you refresh the page you will see if there are no new event invitees, then that section will not be seen. Here the links are present to delete an invitee. So on whichever invitee you will click, it will get deleted. Let's delete the Josh Davis. Yeah, he's deleted. I'm just going to put some messages over here in the final submission. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, now the access request is not requested. That means the grant access has been removed and the Josh Davis has been deleted from the event invite. Similarly, let's do it for John Bond. John Bond is also removed. Let's refresh the page. I'm going to put proper messages in the final submission, don't worry about that. John Bond is removed. You can add from here, or you can add new invitees newly into the event. Those will appear in the new invitees section. So this fulfills the second point in the part 1 requirements. These 1 to 8 points I'm going to show you in the second part of the video. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.